Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 4 of class 5 book Flambeau. In this lesson you will come to know about les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets are the subject pronouns in French. Okay, what are they? Let's discuss about it. Je is I, tu, you, and it is used for informal sentences. Il means he, elle, she, nous, we people, vous, you, formal for elders as well as group of people. ILS, they for boys for masculine plural. ELLES, L, they, ELLES, they for feminine plural for girls, for feminine plurals as well as for girls. And ILS is for they for girls and boys together for masculine and feminine. So ILS is for only boys, ELLES for only girls, and ILS is also used for boys and girls together, they, right? Okay, now let's see the next page. On the next page we have the nationalities, the countries and the nationalities. So I'll read about countries and nationality in a little quick way because there are many, so I'll just try to discuss in a little faster mode. Okay, les pays means countries and les nationalités means nationalities. And I'll just tell you the first word is for country, the second word everywhere in the all flags here which I'll discuss is for masculine nationality, and the third word is for feminine nationality. So first one, l'Angleterre, England, anglais masculine, anglaise feminine for English. Now la France, France, français, French, française, French, masculine, feminine. Next word, land, India, Indien, Indian, 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 masculine, feminine. Next, les États-Unis, US, United States, Américain, American, 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 masculine, feminine. L'Allemagne, Germany, Allemand, German, Allemande, German, masculine, feminine. La Chine, China, Chinois, masculine, Chinoise, feminine. Le Japon, Japan, Japonais, masculine, Japonaise, feminine. Nepal, le Nepal, Nepal, Nepalais, masculine, Nepalese, feminine. Le Canada, Canada, Canadien, masculine, Canadian, feminine. L'Italie, Italy, Italian, masculine, Italian, feminine. L'Espagne, Spain, Spaniel, masculine, Spaniel, feminine, Spanish. La Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistani, Pakistani, masculine, Pakistanis, Pakistani, feminine. Hope you got all these countries name as well as masculine and feminine, and you also got to know the flag name. Okay, which flag is of which country. So let's discuss. There is an exercise also, small exercise, in which there are pictures of boys and girls. You have to identify whether of this which country they belong to, and what will you write the nationality of that country. Like in the first one, flag is made of Nepal, so we'll write Elle est Nepalese because she is a girl, so we'll write feminine nationality. Next one is a girl again, and the flag is of England, so we'll say Elle est Anglaise, she is English. Next one is a boy, and the flag is of Canada, so we'll say Il est Canadien. Next one we have Pakistan flag, I will say Elle est Pakistanaise because she is a girl. Next picture we have of a boy, and there is a flag of India, so we'll say Il est Indien, he is Indian. Next one we have Italian flag, so Il est Italien. Spain flag, Elle est Espagnole because she is a girl, so I'll write E ending. American flag, so Il est Americain, American. German flag, Il est Allemand, German. And French flag, so Elle est Française, she is French. That way you have to do this exercise. Okay, now let's discuss some more exercises of it in activity number 1. So let's do activity number 1. Activity number 1 is very easy. You have to just identify the flag of which country this flag is, and accordingly you have to write the name of that country. C'est le drapeau de, it is the flag of which country? The first one is of Germany, so we'll write l'Allemagne, Germany. Second one is of France, we'll write la France. Third one is of India, l'Inde. Fourth one is of les États-Unis, US. And the last one, fifth one, is of Spain, so l'Espagne. Okay, so we'll write this country name as per the flags given there. Now next exercise we have activité 2, in which we have to write according to masculine and feminine. Choisis la réponse appropriée. Choose the appropriate responses. Nicola is a boy, so I'll write il, il. ILS is used for plural and ELLE is used for feminine. But Nicola is a boy, so I'll use il, il. Okay. Sylvie and Sophie, both are girls, so I'll use feminine plural. ELLES for feminine plural. Question number 3, Robert is a boy, so I'll write il for boy, masculine singular. Fourth one is John et moi. So John et moi, whenever moi is added, I'll treat it as nous. Somebody and me will be nous, we. Nous sommes, we are. Okay, question number 5 is Sophie et toi. Sophie and toi. So when moi is written, I'll write nous. When toi is written, I'll take vous. So toi, vous, moi, nous. It goes like that. Okay, so we'll take care of it. Alright students, now we are moving on to the next set of exercises, and this one is exercise of this chapter number 3. Let's do it. Les exercices, and you can find comment s'appellent les gens de ces pays. Okay, so how do we call the people of these countries? You have to write. So l'Amérique is America, so you have to say un Américain. UN is written for masculine and UN is written for feminine, une américaine. So I'll discuss just 4 words of it. Okay, 4 questions of it. L'Angleterre, England, I'll say un anglais, une anglaise. Le Nepal, un népalais, une népalaise. Okay, and the last one, le Pakistan, un pakistanais, une pakistanaise. And rest of the questions you'll be trying yourself. Okay, now question number 2 is saying you have to write the country name. Previous question we write the nationality, we wrote the nationality, and in this we'll write the country name. So here, il habite au Japon, because here it is written il est japonais, he is Japanese. So Japon, country name you have to write. Second question is il habite en Inde, he lives in India, so il est indien. Il habite en France, he lives in France, il est français. And fourth one, il habite en Espagne, il est espagnol. So that way you have to frame the other country's name as well. Okay, question number 3 now, may à la forme pluriel, put into plural form. Il plural will be ILS. Okay, so il for masculine singular and ILS is for masculine plural. So you have to write plural form. EST will be son and allemand will be written with S ending. Ils sont allemands. I'll discuss 2 more questions. Say like je suis indien. So je means I, so nous will be there for we. Suis will be som, because this is adverb conjugation according to nous. You have to learn adverb conjugation also. I'll teach you, it is at last. Andien will be Andien with S, because you have to make it plural only. Say last question, no, 7th one. Elle est italienne. So I am writing L. Plural of L is ELLES, so Italian, right? So let's move on to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is saying complète avec le pays ou la nationalité. Here is a mixed bag of country name and the nationality. So first one is j'habite en Angleterre. I live in England. You see anglaise, I'm English. So here is the clue anglaise. You can write England, Angleterre. Second question, tu habites en France. You live in France. Tu es français. You're French. So you have to write nationality here. Here you have written country name. Same way you have to write all the nationality and the country name wherever required. Question number 5 is you have to put into feminine form, like tu feminine form will remain tu. I also will remain I itself, like je. Es will remain es. Indien will be changed to Andien. double any, this word will be changed to feminine. Okay, let's discuss question number 4. Il est américain. So il feminine form is L. est will remain same in masculine and feminine. American will be American. All right. Let's talk about one more. Seventh one. Je suis anglais. So you can see je same, no change. Suis same, no change, because I doesn't change into feminine as such. Anglais will be anglais. So e will be written to make it feminine. Right. Okay. Question number 6 is very easy. Where it is masculine singular, you have to write ms. Feminine singular, you have to write fs. Masculine plural, you have to write mp. Or feminine plural, you have to write fp. Let's talk about 3-4 examples. India is a masculine singular word, so ms. Anglais, feminine singular, fs. Japonese, so you can say es, that is feminine plural. Italian, masculine plural, mp, like that. And question number 7, the most important question of this chapter is question number 7, conjugation of ether verb. This is very important. And how does it go? You have to learn it actually. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you people are, or you are for formal. Ils sont, they are masculine. And elles sont, they are feminine plural. Ils sont, they are masculine plural. Elles sont, they are feminine plural. Right? So learn this conjugation, ether verb conjugation, students. It will help you in doing the exercises, rest of the exercises also. And this can be asked in the examination or your test, so learn it nicely. Hope you understood maximum part of this chapter. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et bonne journée.